Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2015 Toyota 86 Blackline, stock number 6697. It's ran from the 4th 2012 to the 9th 2016. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand headlight, left-hand guard, no dents, left front 17-inch factory magnet tyre, left-hand door mirror, left front door 1 dent, left rear 17-inch factory magnet tyre, left-hand tail light, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory magnet tyre, right-hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory magnet tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,